I want to talk about an Enugu Ezike tradition called Ndishi. Ndishi tradition in Enugu Ezike. Commit adultery and run mad. Ndishi is a spiritual being seen only by those who violated the tradition of marital fidelity. The tradition is as old as Enugu Ezike, instituted by Ezike Oba before he died. The tradition is binding on every child of Enugu Ezike. It revolves around having extramarital affairs with another man's wife, or even an obvious intention to do so through kissing or having your hands across the waist of another man's wife, which is seen as synonymous with sex. Once a lady's bride price is paid, she cannot for any reason have an affair with another man other than her husband. A widow is forbidden to have an affair while inside her late husband's house or risk the death of her first son. If she wants to do such a thing, she must be relocated to another house. An Enugu Ezike man is forbidden to have a sexual relationship with another man's wife. A married woman is forbidden to make a monetary donation or contribution to her family or any other persons without the knowledge of her husband or risk being arrested by Ndishi. A married woman, while taking her bath, cannot answer a call from another man except her husband. It is against Ndishi to knock on the door of a married woman when she is alone in her room or house. This tradition still holds till today, a material copied by Igbo history.